Good morning, grade 4. Our today's lesson is the suffixes y and ous. But before we start, do you remember the affix? What is affix? Affix is a word part. When I add it to the base word, it changes the meaning. Affix has two kinds. We have prefix and we have suffix. We took the prefix before. Remember prefix? Prefix is a word part. When I add it to the base word at the beginning, it changes the meaning. Remember the prefixes? Remember re, un, dis, il, in, im. All of these are prefixes. When I added them to the base word, they totally change the meaning. Let me give you an example. Remember re, prefix re. Prefix re is a word part. Re, when I add it to the base word, it changes the meaning. And it's a prefix. Why it's a prefix? Because I added it at the beginning of the word, not at the end. And also un. Un is a prefix. Un means not. When I add it to the base word, it changes the meaning. So un means not and happy. So when I add unhappy means that I'm sad. When I say replay, when I add the prefix re to the base word play, means replay, means play again. Our today's lesson is suffix. What is suffix? Suffix is a word part as well, but I'll add it at the end of the word, not at the beginning of the word. The prefixes, I add them at the beginning of the word, but the suffix, I'll add them at the end of the word. That's the difference between the prefix and the suffix. Prefix is a word part that I added at the beginning of the word, and the suffix is a word part as well, but I'll add it at the end of the word. Let me show you some examples here inside the box. A word like cloudy. Actually, the base word is cloud. But when I add the suffix, the word part y, to the base word cloud, which means full of cloud. So the suffix today, y and ous, means full of. So cloudy means full of cloud. Is it clear? Here, rocky. What is the base word? The base word is rock. When I add the suffix y to the base word rock, means full of rock. Here I have chilly. The base word here is chill. When I add the suffix y to the base word chill, which means full of cold. Here I have handy. Handy, what's the base word of the word handy? Hand. When I add the suffix y to the base word hand, which means something that is easy to use. Something that is easy to use or to do. Here I have adventurous. 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 What is the base word? Here. What is the base word? The base word is adventure. And I have the suffix here, ous. When I add the suffix ous to the base word adventure, which means that someone is willing to take risks, or to do unusual things, or to make new things, new dangerous things. So adventurous means that someone is willing to take risks or play unusual games. Here I have glorious. Here, where is the base word? The base word is glory. Glory means beauty. When I add the base word, when I add the suffix ous to the base word glory, which means something very beautiful, very impressive. Here I have scary. When I add the suffix y to the base word scare, something that is totally scary, which means something that is totally scary. Here I have wondrous. Wondrous. Wondrous, here, what is the base word? Where is the base word? The base word is wonder. When I add the suffix ous to the base word wonder, which means something that is full of wonder. Something that is full of wonder. The last word I have is glamorous. Glamorous. Glamorous, here I have the base word glamour and I have the suffix ous. When I add the suffix ous to the base word glamour, which means something that is full of attraction. Actually, glamour means attractive. When I add the suffix ous to the base word glamour, which means something very attractive. Now I want you to answer this exercise. Read the sentences and pick the word that is convenient to the sentence that you have. And I'll send you the model answer very soon. I'll send you as well on LMS sheet for the suffixes y and ous. Answer it as well, and the model answer will be sent to you very soon. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.